Hi guys, this is Will, CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. I get asked quite a lot on how to do a PST backup, an email PST backup, quite often. So I'm just going to show you how to do that really simply. The reason for this is if you're using a cloud backup, it can't back up a PST file while it's being used. In other words, when Outlook is open, the emails can't be backed up, like I said, because the file's being used. A PST, which is a personal folder file, actually indicates all of your emails in all of the folders, but it's in one file. So I'm just going to show you very quickly how to do a backup of that PST file locally, so then that could be uploaded separately or of course exported to USB. So simply, if you're in Outlook 2016, 2013, 2010, they're all pretty similar to this. And if you hit on File and then go to Open and Export and then Import Export, and then you need to select Export to a file, and then you'd hit Next, and then you choose Outlook Data File PST. That's very important, okay? Now, the first thing you'll do is when it's doing the folder selection, it always highlights just the inbox. What you want to do is make sure you highlight the actual folder name, as in the very top box. The reason for this is because otherwise it will miss out all of the other folders that are in there. So you hit Next. Now, by default, it will try and save to your Documents, Outlook Files, Backup PST. I would recommend making a new folder. So if we just went and literally made a new folder called Email Backup. And then click that. Oops, wrong folder, right? Email backup, and call it backup PST or whatever you want. Sometimes you might want to put the date on there, and then just click that and then go finish. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to set a password? I would strongly recommend you don't, unless you are definitely going to make a note of this. It's not ideal to lose a PST file password. Click on OK. And then you'll see this. Sometimes, you depend on the file size, you'll see it scrolling along. That has now been done. You now have a backup of your PST file, which of course you can export to a USB stick or send it up to the cloud. Hope that's been useful for you. Have a great day.